Hello and welcome to another iPaceOwner breaking news. This is all about S20a. And as you may remember, S20a was an update which was released at the start of this year and then pulled because there were some concerns with it. Well, there's a new variant of S20a just gone out, and this has all the features which were originally in the original S20a update, plus a new splash screen, which I'll put up on the screen now. That's quite nice wording there. Anyway, so you should get this over the next few days. It's going to go out and push to all cars. Doesn't need a dealer visit, just need to have a connection either over Wi-Fi or with your own SIM. The internal SIMs in the car don't actually work for this update, apparently, according to something I saw on the iPaceOwner forum yesterday. So hopefully this will appear for you. Yep, looks very good. Now the one caveat on that is if you haven't been updated to 19B or C, I think it is, you won't necessarily get the update over the air without it being pushed by your dealer. Obviously getting your dealer to do that is maybe a little bit tricky at the moment. But there's some nice people on the iPaceOwner forum and also on the Facebook group who may well do that for you if you post on there. Anyway, so look out for this. It will appear. It's just very straightforward update. Has a few features. You may remember with these from the last time. It's got a new parking aid pop-up, which is quite useful. You can just temporarily disable the system. My friend Abby Dude's got a really good video on this. I'll link that as well, showing exactly how that works. They fixed some Bluetooth problems, particularly if you happen to be Japanese, and also if you switch from the phone library to Spotify as well. The theme issues on the climate control have been sorted out, and some of these are obviously not specific to the iPace. We obviously don't have an optical disk drive. Improves the stability of the eco data screen. Most of these, as I say, are not going to be particularly useful for us. The one I think which is, if I go all the way down to the bottom, is it says BEV data, that's battery electric vehicle data, iPace only, improved range data accuracy, and I'm hoping this is the range data on the map, which tells you how much range you're going to have at the end of a journey. But we shall see. Anyway, I'll link Abu Dude's video here because it's obviously got a lot more on this than I've done here, because I haven't actually got the update yet, so I can't show you it, but I'm sure I'll get it in the next couple of days. Take care and I'll speak to you soon.